ਤਨ ਤਨ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਗੁਰ ਤਨ ਤਨ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਗੁਰ ਜਿਨ ਸਿਰਿਆ ਤਿਨੈ ਸਵਾਰਿਆ ਜਿਨ ਸਿਰਿਆ ਤਿਨੈ ਸਵਾਰਿਆ ਤਨ ਤਨ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਗੁਰ
हेलो एवरीवन, सत श्री अकाल। वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह। So friends, today I have come to Amritsar, which is a very famous city in Punjab, and presently I am in the famous, world famous Golden Temple. So let's go inside and seek the blessing of Vaheguru. Shri Harmandir Sahib, also known as Shri Darbar Sahib or Golden Temple, on account of its scenic beauty and golden coating for English-speaking world, is named after Hari, the temple of God. The Sikhs all over the world daily wish to pay visit to Sri Amritsar and to pay obeisance at Sri Harmandir Sahib in their ardas. Guru Arjan Dev Ji got its foundation laid by a Muslim saint, Hazrat Mian Mir Ji of Lahore, on December 1588. The construction work was directly supervised by Guru Arjan Dev Ji himself, and he was assisted by the prominent Sikh personalities like Baba Buddha Ji, Bhai Gurdas Ji, Bhai Sahalu Ji, and many other devoted Sikhs.
ਪਾਰ ਬ੍ਰਹਮ ਕਰ ਨਮਸਕਾਰਿਆ ਤਨ ਤਨ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਗੁਰ ਤਨ ਤਨ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਗੁਰ ਜਿਨ ਸਿਰਿਆ ਤਿਨੈ ਸਵਾਰਿਆ ਜਿਨ ਸਿਰਿਆ ਤਿਨੈ ਸਵਾਰਿਆ
The building were completed in August-September 1604. Guru Arjan Dev Ji installed newly created Guru Granth Sahib in Sri Harmandir Sahib and appointed Baba Buddha Ji as its first Granthi. The reader of Guru Granth Sahib. After this event, it attained the status of Ath Sat Tirath. Now, the Sikh nation and their own Tirath, a pilgrimage center. Sri Harmandir Sahib is built on 67 feet square platform in the center of the Sarovar. The temple itself is 40.5 feet square. It has a door each on the east, west, north, and the south. The door panes are decorated with artistic style. It opens onto the causeway or bridge that leads to the main building of Sri Harmandir Sahib. It is 202 feet in length and 21 feet in width. The langar at the Golden Temple serves a massive number, 1 lakh people a day. On holidays or religious occasions, the number often goes up to 2 lakh people. Usually, 90% of the working staff is made up of volunteers who, along with the 300 permanent sevadars, ensure the food is cooked and delivered on time. Some people volunteer for a few hours, some for a day, while others volunteer for days on end. Given the numbers of dinners, imagine the amount of raw material needed: about 100 quintals of firewood, 50 quintals of wheat, 18 quintals of dal, 14 quintals of rice, and 7 quintals of milk are consumed daily in the langar kitchen. And also 100 gas cylinders are needed to cook the food. There are 2 kitchens in which the food is prepared. there are 11 hot plates, also known as tawa, several burners, machines for sieving and kneading dough, and several other utensils. On normal days, all the dishes are handmade by the sevadars.
ਤਨ ਸੋ ਤੇਰਾ ਥਾਨ ਹੈ, ਤਨ ਸੋ ਤੇਰਾ ਥਾਨ ਹੈ, ਸੱਚ ਤੇਰਾ ਪੈਸਕਾਰਿਆ।
On holidays and religious occasions, a roti making machine donated by a foreigner based devotee is used, which can churn out 25,000 rotis in just 1 hour. Hygiene is of utmost importance both before and after meals. Dirty plates are handed over to another set of volunteers. Each plate is washed 5 times before being used again. Kadha Prasad is sweet flour based vegetarian food which holds a lot of importance in Sikh faith, and I really loved it. So friends, I hope you liked my video. I'll be meeting you soon in my next video of Jallianwala Bagh. Bye bye everyone. See you soon.